Hello students, welcome to the topic of grinding of V tools for threading of metric 60-degree threads and check with gauge. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to grind V threading tool according to metric and check the profile of the V tool.
Materials and equipment. Pedestal grinding machine. Grinding wheel. Tool holder or fixture. Precision measuring instruments. Thread gauge, metric 60 degrees. Process. Rotate the wheel by hand to observe for free rotation. Check the grinding wheels for true running. Wear goggles. Dress the wheels by a wheel dresser. Adjust the tool rest to maintain a minimum gap from the wheel face to a minimum of 2 to 3 mm. Hold the tool against the wheel to grind the front clearance angle 7 degrees. Hold and grind the side flank of the front face of the grinding wheel at 30 degrees to horizontal and side clearance angle 3 degrees simultaneously. Hold and grind the other side flank of the tool to the front face of the grinding wheel at 30 degrees to horizontal and side clearance angle 3 degrees simultaneously. Grind the top rake angle of 14 degrees. Lap the tool with the help of oil stone.
In this video, we learn about how to grind V threading tool according to metric and check the profile of the V tool. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.